Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here and I'm back on another video. This video is kind of a celebrity inspired look, but not a complete corporation. So I had this dress for a couple of years and it might look like a certain dress that Kim Kardashian has worn. So I'm going to pull this up. I have it saved in my iPad, and just to give y'all reference points. Hope y'all can see that. If not, let me come up a bit. But yeah, this is the dress. And so if you know that dress, this is the sister dress to this. Now, Kim's dress is mostly by Rachel Roy. She's wearing mostly gold. So I said, okay, I have my dress like this. Why I do my version of it, but using silver. Okay, so yeah, this is my version of it. This could be a good girls' night out, date night with the hubby or boyfriend, and this is my dress. My dress is the sister version dress. Kim Kardashian dress is by Rachel Roy. This is by Catos. I got this a couple of years ago. I just refused to get rid of it. And if anybody who don't know, if you're about my height, this is the length it will stop in. Now, if you're taller, it might stop a little bit under the knee. So, yeah. So this is the dress and thing and stuff. And I just went totally simple with jewelry and stuff. No necklace because I do not want to ruin and stuff. But yeah, this is how I paired it. So I have it paired with this beautiful brown and alligator textured brown and silver clutch. Y'all have seen me use this in several other videos, but I just think with this, it looks real good. And I'm gonna set that to the side. And for the shoes, these are some silver wedges where I added the bling detailing on there. I will list the DIY, the bling as well and stuff. And for the jewelry, simple jewelry, I have these two rings. I have this ring right here. Now, if you don't, this actually came from an actual jewelry store. When I got it, my sister noticed that this ring looked like Kim Kardashian's wedding ring that Chris Humphrey gave her. So it does look like it a bit, but yeah. And then I just paired it with an infinity ring I got from Amazon a couple of years ago as well. And I put it with my very old prom earrings. I decided not to wear the necklace, but yeah. Overall, this is the look and stuff. Like I said, this would be perfect for a girls' night out or a date night with your hubby or boyfriend and stuff, just for special occasions. But I hope y'all enjoyed this look. Until then, y'all, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.